Y'all know it's silk press season. Fall is coming up and I'm just kind of tired of my wash and goes. I've been wearing wash and goes 100% of the time and I just want something different. I'm a little over my hair since I got it cut. I haven't really been feeling my curls, so I'm gonna let it grow back out, but I want to do a silk press. I have not straightened my hair since 2017. Got my hair straightened. He surprised me. I didn't know it. Went to Jamaica and got my hair wet, so it was like pointless. I'm gonna take y'all with me through the steps. This is my first time in a long time doing a silk press, so bear with me. And I just want some really nice voluminous curls. Starting off on a fresh canvas. Y'all have seen me wash my hair 100 million times, so I didn't record me washing my hair. I'll link my detox video up in the cards. The only difference was I used the Maui Moisture shampoo and conditioner because it smells so good. Video is not sponsored. I love the way it smells, so I used that conditioner instead of what I used in that detox video. We're starting off on a nice fresh canvas and this is what my hair is looking like. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's nice and soft. Curls look good. Just in case you're new to my channel, I get a curly cut, meaning that I get my hair cut curl by curl, so it's not even. That's just because I don't cut my hair like everybody else do. For the sake of this silk press, I'm gonna blow dry it out and I'm gonna just trim the ends. Well, trim the ends as best as I can. Y'all know how I get scissor happy. Got my scissors, got my blow dryer, and I'm gonna put the comb attachment on it. And for heat protectant, this is the Pantene Gold Series thermal heat protector that looks like this. I wanted to try the Wow that everybody been using, but my Ulta was sold out and I wasn't riding out around town. This was last minute. It's already 6:07, so God knows how long this is gonna take me to do. So I'm gonna just put this heat protector all over my hair. I did wash all the conditioner out of my hair, so I don't have any. I should have deep conditioned, but whatever. So yeah, protect all of these curls, please. If you see me looking over here, I'm recording for TikTok, Instagram, all that good stuff too. In that little bit of time I was separating my hair into sections, my hair dried. My hair dries so fast. So I'm gonna just wet it a little bit so I can detangle it because I did not do a good job upstairs detangling my hair. Let's get into blow drying my hair. Oh my god, if my curls get messed up. Matter of fact, let me put a little bit more heat protectant on my hair. My hair dryer does have a cool and hot setting on medium and high. I think I'm gonna go with hot because I want it to blow out nice and straight. Yeah, we're gonna use the hot, but we're gonna use it on medium. So we made it through the first section. It's nice and blowed out. Look at that. We got a little length to us though. I thought it was shorter than this, but okay. So the hair is nice and straight. Well, not straight, but blowed all out. Looks pretty healthy. She looks really good. Wait a minute, wait a minute. She looks really good. She's nice and blowy. So I do have some flat irons down here. Don't ask me why, because I don't even use them. I have some that was sent to me in PR by Chi. And we know Chi got some really good products. This is so cute. Look at that. Can you see the detail on it? I'm going to put it on, let's see. I think I'm going to do the 14. What? I'm gonna do the 14 because I want it to be nice and sleek. While the flat irons are getting hot, I'm just going to trim my ends just a little bit. Matter of fact, let me not use the viewfinder to do this. I'm gonna turn around. Give me a second. So I didn't trim off a lot. It's just that little bit, and that's from both sides. But like I said, I'm gonna do the chase method. I'm gonna use this little right tail comb. Chase it. This just smells hot. I'm gonna turn it down some, at least to 360, because she's like scaring me. That's one pass. Damn, I forgot to use the comb. Whew. All right, I did that little piece. A million more sections to go. All right, so we finished these little back pieces. Let me show y'all what it looked like. And this is what they look like so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up straightening my hair, and then I'm gonna come back on camera so we can put some curls in it. We are done with pressing my hair out with the flat irons. I think it came out pretty good. It's not a silk press. It's not giving silk press. I was too scared to turn it all the way up to 410 degrees. I ain't even gonna lie to you, but it did the job okay, and it looks good. It looks nice and healthy. I'll go get it professionally. What?
What you just say?
Professionally done for my silk press, because ain't no way in hell I'm turning it up to 410 degrees and burn my curls. So here is the back. It is still uneven. I didn't clip the ends at all. I do plan on going to someone professional to have them clip my ends while my hair is straight. I'm not going to bother with it too much. I really want my hair to grow back out, and it was difficult to comb towards the end, so I do know I need my ends trimmed. So this was the repair oil, and then this one is the restore oil, and I got both of these from the Black Hair Experience in DC. Really nice, really nice. If you haven't been to it, I think they have a location in New York too. It was a really good experience. I took my daughter there a few years ago. They come in these cute little bottles like this. And rub it in my hands and focus it mainly on my ends, because that's where we need it at. I got these OG golden hot curlers, actual curlers, because I'm not real good with curling my hair with flat irons. So these are ceramic golden hot, and they go all the way up to 400 degrees. Now, I can't tell you the last time I curled my hair, so bear with me, because these curls probably look crazy as hell. Thank God for the flexi rods. Child, I don't even know if all my hair is in this. I can't see. Okay. Okay. I gotta trust the process. I gotta stop being scared to leave the curlers on my hair for a little while. Look at me about to burn my damn mat. Girl, the way I'm curling this hair, oh my goodness. I'm not even really curling it. Let's just say I'm bending my ends. I think my curlers is just too big. These more like, what they used to call them? Bumpers? I don't even know what the hell I just did. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. And these baby hairs, y'all think I be pulling them out on purpose. They just be trying to make a scene. Look at that big curl. Bring you down some.
Yes, I can cook. Don't play with me. You.
Okay, so at this point, I'm gonna stop because it's giving me a flip. I don't even know what that's about. Girl, we're gonna put these flexi rods in and let these flexi rods give us the curl that we're looking for, because this is definitely not it. A little twist of the wrist. Sorry about that. That's not what I was going for. We went from a silk press to some burrow curls to a flip. It's so crazy because back when I was in high school, and even when I used to wear my weaves, because I used to do drop curls a lot, I was so good at curling hair. But now it's like, what the hell? It turned into a flip. It's the next morning, so let's take down these flexi rods and see what my hair is looking like under here. This is not giving silk press. I'm gonna have to change the title of this video. Now this, I will say, I don't think it's gonna last because I have no product in my hair as far as nothing to hold it. So hopefully we can get through the day because it's 95 degrees outside. Now I got some really big Shirley Temple curls. I'm gonna just finger comb them, because I feel like if I run a comb through them, my wide tooth comb, oh, that is so pretty. I'm gonna lose curl, so that is pretty. This side is a little looser. Yeah, I made this side a little tighter, the other side. But yeah, what do you guys think? I'm gonna wear my hair like this hopefully for the next few days. If it hold up, I'm gonna just keep putting the rods in them at night and tying it up. But it's super soft, super pretty, and I like it. Just something different from my wash and goes that I always wear. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos and you feeling my content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and comment down below.